Welcome to our van life with our 4 chihuahuas, episode 45. We are headed to Weird Wild West. Join us as we search for a spot to camp for the night.
Pia is at the helm, taking us to Weird Wild West, stop number 1. We're gonna camp at BLM tonight in Arizona, where it is 82 degrees. Nice and warm. Arrived at Saddle Mountain BLM. Pia is taking us off-road. There was a big spot back there, but we're gonna go a little bit deeper and see what we can find. Beautiful views out here in the Arizona wilderness. Lots of offshoots. Pretty smooth road. Yeah. Definitely want a nice spot away from everybody, which is good. There were quite a few people back a couple miles, but this spot is looking pretty vacant right now. There's a campsite right there. Looks pretty flat. I'm gonna try this one out. Not too shabby. That's good. Big old fire pit. Cacti. Right in the mountain. What's up, everybody? We just made it. Pia brought us in, and we are check out this BLM spot. This is Saddle Mountain behind us, and it's a really nice flat area. Gonna get an awesome sunset. It's about 6:30. We are on our way to Bisbee, and this is just south of 10, about like 40 minutes away before Phoenix. And we're excited tomorrow to meet everybody at Weird Wild West. So this is our day 1. Beautiful 80 degrees in Arizona. That is an Arizona desert sunset. Are you kidding me with these colors? Wow. This sunset is ridiculous. I just zoomed in. We got beautiful split cacti, multicolor sky. Sun is just dipping in. Absolutely gorgeous. And we have a fly hunting chihuahua over here. Chewbacca, are you hunting the flies? She's like, get me back in the van. Thankfully, we just got our fly screen repaired this past week. Amazing luck. What do you think, Pia?
Yes, it works really well.
It's working. Thank you to Rec Van Mobile Service and the awesome Storyteller Parts for getting us the replacement. Basically, one thing that was interesting is this whole part ripped out because it was just stapled into this like rubber, and the Rec Van Mobile Service gentleman burned out 2 drill bits getting it into this metal, so he actually screwed it into this metal. We still have a little bit of cutaway here, but man, this thing is not going anywhere now, and no more staples, so screws over staples all day. Beautiful evening. It's nice to have views like this, and absolutely free. All right, so it's been a long day of driving. We left the Bay Area around 6 a.m. It's now 7. We are just a couple hours away from our destination in Bisbee. We're gonna rest up, get to sleep early, get up, get cleaned up, and get back on the road. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of our Bisbee, Arizona excursion. Evening routine. Thank you, Campendium, for finding this cool spot. Off in the distance, we can see Highway 10. Pretty far away, so you can't hear anything. Super nice skyline here at dusk, and lots of stars.
Good morning, everybody. We are in Arizona. Stopped somewhere outside of Phoenix, heading to Bisbee for Weird Wild West. And we're boondocking right now, so we're gonna get up soon. Dogs are just waking up, making noises. This is what it looks like in the back. Some cacti. Windows are very dirty. There were lots of bugs on the freeway. But Jabba's down there. Yoda's here hiding. And I got my little BobaFett. Chewbacca, where she is, always at the window. And we heard some coyotes last night, but I don't think they got close to us yet. So we just got up. We just decided to get up. It's 6:30 in the morning. We've been awake probably an hour. The dogs are getting out to go there, do their potty. And beautiful day here in Arizona. Oh, Boba's ready to go. And it's actually super hot. We barely slept last night. We had to turn the AC on. It was so hot. And we did sleep with the vent open, with the fan on, because I can't sleep when everything is closed up. I have a hard time breathing when I feel like it's too enclosed in the tiny space. So dogs are getting up to go potty. Lots of flies here, by the way. And I'm gonna get Jabba up and they'll do their potty and keep going. Still have about 4 hours of driving to go. We're so excited to be at Bisbee and to meet everyone. There is a huge storyteller group and lots of other van lifers headed up there.
All right, we're leaving Saddle Mountain on our way to Bisbee. A beautiful area. Everybody, we are leaving Saddle Mountain behind us. BLM camping was a success, and we are heading south to Bisbee. So this is day 2 of our trip. I'd say the only real negative thing about this place was a lot of flies, but not super bad. So we will see you on the next one, day 2 of our Bisbee, Arizona trip, starting now.